Hi, my car just came back from rental and look at these seats. They are really dirty. Look at the front one. In this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to clean your cloth seats. Stay tuned. First step is vacuuming. Vacuuming complete, and I'm gonna use this product, guys. It's a Tuff Stuff, very common product. Almost every store has this. Shop towel and also the brush. Let's get started. Very good product. I use this for years. So you're applying very good coat, especially the places where you have the big stains, just like that. It's very easy actually, and then you're just starting to clean. As soon as you're done first, what I'm doing the second right away. Second time, just like this. I just will go up to this section right here. We can go the middle as well. Okay, just like this. Now let's go one more time. Okay, now it's ready for the towel. Try to make it as hard as you can. Just press. What I normally do, I'm using my vacuum. When you're done, you take all of the dust. Let's try to do the front one and see how it goes. The front seat has this big stain right here, and it's actually dry. I don't know what is that. Look at the seat condition. It's really dirty. Okay, let's try. Tuff Stuff, couple bucks. Let's get it clean. Applying nice and solid layer like this. Let it sit for 20 to 30 seconds, and we're gonna use this brush again. This was the first layer. One more time. If you need more, you can repeat this process for a couple of times. Okay guys, now we're gonna use the towel. Okay guys, look at this. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more great videos. Thank you.